Hi there. But or however. When do we use but? When do we use however? Every day. Every day. So every day, okay, without space, with no space, and every day with the space. So when do I use? Okay, every day, and when do I use every day? When do I use however? When do I use but? To know this, continue watching the video. Okay, let me first start with sentence number 1. Okay, I like tea, I don't like coffee. So here I am going to connect both sentences. But here, okay, you understand that there is a contrast. What do I mean by contrast here? A contrast, it means in one sentence, okay, one sentence is positive, another sentence is negative. Okay, the meaning is negative. So I like tea, this is positive. I don't like coffee, this is negative. Okay, so here I'm going to contrast. I'm going to, link both of them. How do I do so? Listen please. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. I like tea, however I don't like coffee. Another example. I like basketball, I don't like tennis. I like basketball, but I don't like tennis. I like basketball, however I don't like tennis. So what is the problem here? There is no problem, yes, there is no harm. So they are interchangeable here, but and however. But my friends, there is a slight difference between them. Of course, I'm not going to tackle but and however when it comes to different meanings, because both of them have got many meanings, okay? But I'm gonna focus on contrast, here, okay? Nice. So what is the slight difference? Okay, to know the slight difference, I invite you to watch the following. Okay, go ahead. So but and however, okay, we invited him, he didn't come. So which one, but or however? So we invited him, he didn't come. So we are going to write H or B, okay? That's all. Try this, okay? So we invited him, he didn't come. Look, I'm gonna write here, okay? But. So I invited him, but he didn't come. If you ask me why, I say just a minute, please. Be patient a little bit. Then I'll be telling you about the secret, this trick, okay? Nice. Next one. She studied for the test, she did not pass it. So you see now the contrasting ideas here. So she studied for the test, but, okay, she did not pass it. Next one. I learned French easily. I didn't like my teacher. So I learned French. I didn't like my teacher. There is a contrast here. Okay, nice. So here, but, again, very nice. Next one. I learned French easily. Full stop. Okay, or period. Here now, however. Okay. However. Very good. So, however. So here, I learned the French easily, however. So, I use, the whole word, actually. Okay, good. So, I learned the French easily, however, I didn't like my teacher. Nice. Next one. We plan to stay for another year. Okay, full stop. Peter is leaving now. However. Okay, Peter, so however here, don't forget there is what? Okay, good. However, Peter is leaving now. Next one. We plan to stay for another year. So, we plan to stay for another year, comma, okay, but, okay, Peter is leaving now. So, my friends, so what is the difference here between however, the use of however and but? Simply, look please. So, both, however and but, okay, are used in order to contrast, yes or no? Or in order to have a contrast between two ideas, okay, and form one sentence, okay? Nice. So here, we invite, but look please, the difference is as follows. We use but when we have a comma, okay? So the comma comes before but. So this is the comma, okay? So the comma comes before but. Fine? So here again, look at this. She studied for the test, but, so there is a comma here, but she did not pass it. Nice. Next one. I learned the French easily, so the comma here comes before but. But I didn't like my teacher. I learned the French easily, but pay attention now here. When you have a full stop, you are supposed to use however and then comma. Okay, so I mean, look please, here I use, okay, full stop and then comma. So here I use however. Okay, nice. And we plan to stay for another year, however. So the same thing, that is, okay, full stop and a comma here. Okay, so I use however and not but. We plan to stay for another year, okay, but Peter is leaving now. So here there is a comma. So it's very simple now. The difference between, okay, but and however is as follows. Okay, so both of them are used in order to contrast two ideas in order to have, okay, or to form one sentence. Fine, nice. The difference between however and but is that, okay, the comma comes before but, nice. But, okay, when we use however, we are supposed to break the sentence with a full stop, sometimes also a semicolon, okay, it's possible. And then, okay, I write however and then comma. Is it clear? So look at the example, okay, that I have just given, okay. I like tea, I don't like coffee. Look please. I like tea, comma, but I don't like coffee. It's okay. Next one please. Or I like tea, full stop, however, comma, I don't like coffee. Okay, so you see now, okay, here the difference, okay, between but and however. So we prefer to use, okay, a comma before but. If you want to use however, full stop and then you write however, and then okay, it's possible to write a comma after however. Is it clear? Fine. So let me now move to everyday and everyday. So everyday here, there is no space. And every day here there is a space. Number one, okay, every day when there is no space, here, okay, I'm speaking about an adjective. So every day here play the role of an adjective. Okay, so it is an adjective here. And it has got the meaning of common, usual. It means, okay, I'm talking about something common, ordinary, normal, okay, usual, that we always do. Okay, for example, I say, this is an everyday activity. It means a common activity, an activity that we do every day. So here I, okay, have no space. Is it fine? Great. So now, another example, I say it's an everyday, maybe it's an everyday game. So this game, okay, that we play, every day, we call it an everyday game. So everyday play the role of an adjective because it comes before the noun. Okay, so it is an adjective because it describes, an everyday activity, an everyday game. Okay, in everyday maybe, okay, well, in everyday what? In everyday, yes, in everyday maybe story. Yes or no? It's a story that we read every day. We call it an everyday story. Okay, something that we do so often. Okay, fine, nice, great. What about everyday now? When we've got here the space and even the pronunciation here, there is kind of a pause here. Every day, okay, as opposed to every day. Nice. So here, every day is an adverb, okay, and it's an adverb of a frequency. It means, okay, how frequent I do something, okay. Example, I go to school every day, okay. So here, every day or usually, okay, sometimes, okay, always. So this is the frequency. So every day here is an adverb of a frequency. It tells me about the frequency of the activity, okay. Fine. Nice. So look please, he works hard. So let me now, use everyday number one or number two. So I'm going just to write one or two, okay? Nice. So he works hard. Good. So am I supposed to use here this adjective or this adverb of frequency? Nice. So I don't have a noun here. So he works hard every day. Nice. So this is an adverb of frequency. Okay? So he works hard every day. Next one. I go to the park. So this is also an adverb of frequency. I go to the park every day. So I use number two. Very nice. Next one. I feel a little better. Okay, I feel a little better. It means what? Every day. Okay, also it's number two. So every single day I feel a little better, and it's also here an adverb of a frequency. Next one. These shoes are great for wear. So wear here, okay, play the role of a noun. Okay, so I'm going to describe it. I'm gonna describe, okay, the way I'm wearing, okay, which is maybe casual, okay, ordinary, okay, common, okay. So what do I say? I say everyday is number one. So these shoes are great for everyday wear. Okay, nice. So this is a noun, so I need an adjective. Next one. Don't use the dishes. It's a special occasion. Okay. Don't use what? The dishes here is a noun. So what do I need? I need an adjective. Okay. So I'm gonna describe here what the noun dishes. So don't use the, nice, the everyday, lovely. So the everyday. So it's number one. Okay. So don't use the everyday dishes. It's a special occasion. Everyday dishes, it means, okay, dishes that, okay, you know, I use every day. Maybe I serve myself in, you know, every day. So it's a special occasion. Maybe I've got guests. So normally, okay, you know, what about, you know, using new dishes, okay, maybe more posh dishes, okay, or gorgeous ones, okay, in order to impress our guests. Nice. Let me, okay, now put it in a nutshell. So let me, you know, put it in one syllable. Listen, please. We saw, you know, two things today: but and however. Both of them I use for contrasting ideas. Okay, in order to contrast two ideas. Fine, in one sentence. Nice. I use however, or I use but. Or, okay, you know, I use but when I have a comma before but. So comma, and then I use but. Is it clear? Now for however, I should have a full stop. And then however, and then a comma. Clear? Okay? Nice. Now for every day with no space and every day with a space. So I use every day as an adjective here. Okay, it's number one. I use it as an adjective, okay, when it is before a noun. Fine, it's an everyday activity, an everyday game. Good. So every day now, okay, when I have a space, I use it when, okay, I say how often I do something. Because here it plays the role of an adverb of frequency. Thank you so much indeed for paying attention. Thank you so much indeed for commenting. Thank you so much indeed for following me. Thank you so much, okay, you know, for, you know, liking, for sharing, okay, my video. I would like to thank all of you, my colleagues, my students, my friends, okay, my fans, okay, you know, my teachers, okay. My respect to all of you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Goodbye.